guys, today I'm gonna tell you how to cut a slime. First you need a scissor. It's mapped scissor that I buy, and it's full of there's full package and barrel of slime. First we need to do is just open the box and bring the scissor out. This is the scissor like this. So we need to pull it like this. I'm gonna choose this one because this is the first one that I thought. How to do it? You should put this in here and pop it like this. That is how you do it. If you're buying this, it's very expensive and amateur. First, you need to pump it out the slime until it's very hard. After that, you just cut this up and mess this up. It looked like this because I wear like the scissors, so it's a little bit sharp, and if you cut things, it will be like this, small piece. But if you want the bigger, you can just do like this and cut it out like this. It's big. Now if you're done with this, you just put the slime on and press it again. After that, if you want to take it off, you just need to press this and pull it with your That's you how to cut slime with scissors. If you want just more like this, bye.